Fellow OBs and OGs of Macquarie University, hope you are doing well wherever you are. Let us look at this question here. They are telling us to derive the wave equation when we are given a plane wave here. Somebody may look at a question and they may look at this and may say, how? Because I'm already given a wave equation. How can I again derive a wave equation? It is possible. This one is the equation of a plane wave. So they want us to derive the wave equation. How will you do that? Let us do. You can get, let us first differentiate that plane wave equation with respect to x. For the first time, shall have negative ka sine kx minus omega t. If I do that for the second time, with respect to shall have negative k squared a cos kx minus omega t. You can also do it with respect to t. The y dt is equal to k is equal to omega a sine kx minus omega t. If I get the second derivative with respect to t, the y dt squared will equal to omega squared negative a. This is a cos kx minus omega t. Hope you're getting, because this is just simple differentiation. So if I can name this one is my equation 1 and this is my equation 2. So from equation 2, I can make this subject, this one here, because it is common here and here. So I can say a cos kx minus omega t is equal to can include the negative, because I have a negative, this can include a negative here. It will be 1 over omega. So shall have 1 over omega squared, the squared y dt squared. So I can substitute for this here because we have it here. Or I can say this one is equation a. Also I can say from equation 1 also shall have negative a cos kx minus omega t is equal to 1 over k squared the squared y dx squared. You can say this is equation b. This was a, implying that a is equal to b. So we shall have 1 over omega squared y dt squared is equal to 1 over k squared y dx squared. So we shall have squared y dt squared equaling to omega squared over k squared y dx squared. But omega is equal to 2 pi f and k is equal to pi over lambda. It is 2 pi over lambda. So we shall have squared y dt squared equaling to 2 pi f squared over 2 pi over lambda squared times this one here over dx squared. Therefore my squared y dt squared will be equal to f squared lambda squared y dx squared. But v is equal to f lambda, implying that v squared is equal to f squared lambda squared. Therefore we shall have the squared y dt squared is equal to v squared y dx squared, and this is actually what they wanted. So thank you. That's the number. Oh, that's the number. Bye bye. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel.